Hi guys! So I'm sort of in the process of just putting the last few bits in my bag. And yeah, I'm uber pumped, uber excited to get there now, one day out. But today I'm just going to run through just really quickly just the things I've got in my hand luggage. So not only have I got my hand luggage suitcase, I've also got my park bag, which will kind of be in the suitcase at the same time. So that will be good just to take out on the plane, so I don't have to go in and out of the hand luggage all the time. I can just use sort of the rucksack to go in and out and just get bits out whilst I'm on the plane. So the hand luggage suitcase that I bought, I wasn't going to get one. Like I said in my packing vlog, a few people said it's probably worth just getting one. If you've got any valuables you want to bring back, which I do, it's Christmas ornaments. I'm going to pop those in my hand luggage. So the one that I've gone and chosen, it's a Trip hand luggage bag. It's a nice solid case. And it only cost me, it was £34 I think from Debenhams. It's a really nice case, it's really quite big, and it's specific to Virgin's cabin luggage size. So Virgin or all airlines have a specific hand luggage size for their suitcases. This one fits within Virgin's measurements. And it's yellow. I love yellow, it's my favourite colour. So it's kind of a sort of mustardy golden yellow, but it's really nice, it's really cool. And then I've also got my park bag as well, so I will be taking this Vans Mickey bag with me. It's a really nice bag, really spacious inside. So you've got the main compartment, there's no other zips and that inside, which is kind of the downfall of it, but it's really big. You've also got the zips at the front as well, so you can keep your bits and bobs in there. So in my actual hand luggage case, I've got a neck pillow. That one may stay in, it may just come out and go in my park bag so I can just get access to that on the plane, but I've got a neck pillow. I've already tried it out once when I went to London the other week, and it's really comfortable. It's made of memory foam. It's zipped inside of here. It goes in there and it fits really lovely in there. Also on the plane, I like to take my shoes off as well, but I don't like walking around like with nothing on my feet. I just feel weird. So from work, obviously some of you guys know I work at a spa. I have borrowed some slippers, so I'll take those on the plane with me as well. And then I've also got all of my liquids. So all of my liquids at the moment, they're in a pouch. So it's a zippable pouch, which I've bought from Amazon. I've managed to get 10. For around about £4.99 I think it was. So they're already in there. So in there I've got just some hand wipes, some deodorant spray, hand gel, underarm, and this one's a little de-stress kind of oil to put on your pulse points. It just keeps you nice and relaxed and chilled. So the reason I got the spray and that on there, so I'm hoping to do twilight check-in. So that way I've got some bits and bobs for the morning that I can just put on. I've also got some toothpaste and toothbrush, but those are just going to come up with me and I'm just going to leave them in the hotel. I've also got a cap. I may wear a cap, I may not wear a cap, I don't know, but you guys know I like my caps. So I'm just going to put that one in there just in case I do decide when I get off the plane to pop a cap on as well. As I say, because I am hopefully doing twilight check-in, I've got my pyjamas in there as well. And I've also got just a pair of ankle socks and just a pair of shorts, so I can change on the plane. So at the moment I understand it's a little chilly, so I'm going to have a jacket as well. That will be on me tomorrow, and whatever clothes I decide to wear through the airport, that would just be on me, and then I can alternate between the shorts and the trousers if I wish to on the plane before getting off. So with the hand luggage, I've also got the same as what I've got on my suitcase. So you've got the zipper at the back. That is currently empty, so there is actually nothing in there. So that will be a lot of space for, like I say, to bring back valuables hopefully. So I've got a lot of room. I can have 10 kilograms hand luggage on Virgin. So with my park bag and the bag that I'm just going to take through the airport as well, just as a rucksack, I've got my glasses. So those will come with me. I've got my headphones. So I've got a pair of Beats headphones. So a pair of purple and kind of orange ones. There's nothing worse than kind of having a pair of headphones that don't cover up outside sound. And Beats are really good, so I really recommend a pair of Beats. I know a lot of you guys go with like Bose or something like that, but the Beats are really good. And I've got just a folder with all of my bits in, all of my documents. So I've got my passport in there, I've got my little book of magic, all my confirmation, Esther, everything all in there. That will come with me on the plane. So I'll also have packed my chargers, so my phone charger and my Apple Watch charger. That will be in the hand luggage as well. And that's not packed at the moment until tomorrow. I may take my iPad, I haven't decided yet. But that may well come on with me as well. And also in the front I've got, from my Ocean Florida vlog, I've got the SeaWorld charger, so that one will come on with me, so my battery pack. I've got a pair of sunglasses for when I get off the plane, not while I'm on the plane, when I get off the plane. And I've also got my Beats extenders, so that I can plug that in and listen to all the films and that on the plane. And that's really it in the park bag. Obviously more things will go in as the holiday goes on, but that's just sort of the stuff I'm taking through the airport, and not necessarily things I'm going to take to the parks with me. Like I say, at the moment that is all the things that I really want to put in my bag. Some other things may go in, I don't know yet, but that is basically going to be majority of it. So yeah, but it's a really cool bag. I really recommend this trip bag, it's really cool. I'll pop a link down below to Debenhams, so you can take a look yourselves. Like I said, I think it was 34, it was either 34 or 38, I'm not sure. And then the Vans bag, unfortunately I can't put a link to that because it's sold out. But yeah, that's basically everything. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you enjoyed my last one. I'll pop a link to that one at the end so you can check what's going in my hold luggage and what things that I'm taking. Like I say, the temperature at the moment, it is a little on the chilly side. So I'll take a jacket. I've bought a pair of tracky trousers and my jeans. I'll wear my jeans at the airport as it's freezing cold in the UK. So yeah. But yeah, I understand that when I arrive, hopefully, from what the weather's telling me, it's going to start going back up, hopefully to about 27 degrees. So that might mean less trousers, more shorts. So I hope you enjoyed that one. I hope you look forward to joining me on my trip. I'm not going to be on sort of Facebook so much, so that if you follow me on Facebook, don't expect too much on there. I will be more on Instagram, so follow along on there. This trip has been a long time coming and I can't wait. I'm so excited to go now. And I hope you enjoy following along. So just remember to turn your notification icons on, like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, log on to my social medias, like those, give them a subscribe as well. I'll pop those in the bottom. And I hope to see you all soon. Take care, have a lovely day. Bye guys.